Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be telling you the home screen settings of your device Oppo Reno 85G. So if you want to know about the home screen settings of your device, you have to watch the full video. But before we start the video, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe or press the bell icon so you won't miss any of my updates. Now watch this complete video and you will learn all about the home screen settings of your device.